Actress Shamita Shetty is one of the strongest contestants in the Bigg Boss house. Shamita's elder sister Shilpa Shetty Kundra has penned an appreciation post for her. In her post, Shilpa has also slammed people who are calling Shamita arrogant. Shilpa shared a video clip in which Neha is seen asking Shamita about her journey on the reality show. Alongside the video, Shilpa wrote, "Appreciation post. This is for my brave soul, a fighter, my sister Shamita Shetty." It's sad to see how some are misinterpreting Shamita's behavior as arrogant because they think she is privileged or is fake and she does not have an opinion or does not use her head, only heart, which is absolutely untrue rubbish. I say this without any bias and not just as a sister, but as a Bigg Boss viewer too. I have never commented on the show, but while a lot of people have been commenting good, bad, ugly, I felt like saying, being privy to this format as a participant and former host, I feel Shamita is being accosted for having a heart, being emotional and viewed as privileged by some. But if she wants, she wouldn't be in this show trying to carve a niche for herself professionally. I can vouch for one thing, that what you see of her is as real as can get. That's her USP. She's her authentic self. Don't know about these so-called games and strategies. All I know is everyone is different and she reacts the way she's conditioned. We were not born into wealth. Both of us have struggled and worked our way up, uphold our middle class values, dignity being of paramount importance. That's the upbringing. Whether she wins this game or not, this has got to be said. No game in life or TV can be at the cost of losing one's dignity. She shows that in her game. She's shown grace under fire, and my heart swells with pride as a sister. The show will come to an end, but the memories will stay, and Shamita will be remembered as a tigress and someone who has left her mark on millions of hearts with her honesty, dignity, integrity, and class. You go, my Tunki. You are and will always be a showstopper, Shamita. While she is in the house, and I miss her terribly, guys, do support our Queen of Hearts and show her some love cause she deserves it. Recently, Vishal Kotian, Simba Nagpal, Neha Bhasin, and Jai Bhanushali were eliminated from the Bigg Boss house. Bigg Boss 15 airs on Colors. INS report.